Sustainability is so important today. And there's hardly a discussion without talk about just sustainability. Many companies have environmental, social, and governance plans in place, and it's important to know that the products they purchase will have a positive impact. So, how does Sony help companies meet their ESG goals?
Sustainability is one of the pillars of what Sony stands for. And we really do believe that is important and relevant to both our channel partners as well as our end users. There are a lot of initiatives that we have, but they're all driven by this main um, philosophy of it's Sony's Road to Zero initiative, and this is the expectation that we will have zero net carbon emissions by 2035. Now, moving forward, specifically looking at Pro Bravia, there's a lot of aspects that have this Road to Zero initiative in mind, in how it was engineered and how it's used. So from the very beginning, when you receive the packaging, you'll find that the packaging is a bit Spartan, if you will. We really saved on, for example, the ink of the cardboard box, where there's no point in using any more ink than what's needed for the display itself. Then when you open it up, what you may not realize is while there is plastic that's in the actual the back of the display, and really throughout the display, that's more than just recycled plastic. It's a plastic that's proprietary to Sony called Sorplast. And this is a another level of recyclability beyond what typical recycled plastic is. In the few places where rigidity is mandatory, and the Sorplast isn't enough, then even then we'll use recycled plastic there. And then, even looking at it from a software, a management perspective on the displays, all Pro Bravias now include something called the Eco Dashboard. And as you make changes to how the display is being used, let's say that you increase the brightness of the display, which it will go up to 700 nits. As you make that increase in the brightness, you can actually see little leaves on this tree and this GUI kind of go away to give you a better representation of what your choices are, and how they fit into the sustainability efforts of your environment.
That's pretty good. So it's not only in the packaging, because I know, a few years ago we were hearing, packaging and the actual materials, but it now really goes much further now to once it gets hung on the wall, there's continued um, sustainability that an end user can uh, get from that.
That's right.
Nice. So I know that a little further on in this newsletter that everybody's going to be reading, we have a video. It's Sony's environmental plan, Road to Zero, that they can get more information. So, very cool video. You should really check that out.
Yes.
Joe, thank you so much for sharing your insight about Sony's Pro Bravia 98 BZ53L. And how do people learn more about it?
Yeah, so the 98 BZ53, in addition to all the other Pro Bravias that we sell, can be found at pro.sony/Bravia.
Great. Can't wait to see it in person. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Cindy. Appreciate it.